Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I do appreciate it a lot. Thanks for all the support, all the new subscribers, and all the comments and likes and all that good stuff. Jumping into today's video, working more on the rack. Big surprise. Running these two 1-inchers right now at the moment. I've been fiddling with this for the last really long time. I think I just got it right, but I might have to extend these, I'm not sure. I'm trying to get these pushed over as far as I can on this side of the rack. I do have to tighten this rack down right here, kind of level it out to the height that I want. And hopefully when I stick those 90s on there, this will be straight, or this will be level, and then this pipe will be level. Because I was kind of having the effect where I stick the 90s on there, and then that side's level, but then this side is like way too high or low, I can't remember. But I'm just trying to get it level on both sides. And then I will be running down the side of the all threads right there, because we still want to leave that gap there in the middle for the plumbers. So I do have the two 1-inchers right here, and then we will be doing another 1-inch and a 2-inch next to that. So there will be 4 pipes going along the side all the way down to here. One of those pipes is turning off here for the elevator, and then another 1-inch is stopping at this elevator mechanical room, and then the other two, I forget where the other two are going, but I think they're going all the way down to the very end or something like that. So yeah, just working on turning the corner right here, running these 1-inchers. Got a couple offsets right here. I really hate these little tiny offsets. They're stupidly hard for me. I don't know why. Usually when I do an offset at the end and then an offset in the middle or at the other end, it seems like one wrong move, it like just changes like 2 inches. You have to fiddle with it forever. It's just so much easier just to do a quick like 30-30 or something, just like in a 6-inch or whatever foot or 2 span, instead of like 10 foot or 6 foot or whatever. So I don't know why. This pipe is hugging that pipe because it's got to get past that box, and then this pipe is just 4 inches center to center. My co-workers were up here and pulled in the strings for the giant pipes, so we'll be running that on Monday when the wire comes in. Basically just tie a rope onto one of these strings, pull the rope in for extra strength, and then tie the wire to the rope, and then just pull those down. There's a tugger downstairs. Pretty sure it's locked up. I'm gonna go double check. I have to lock everything up still. I'm just gonna make this video before I go downstairs because everyone already left. I'm here extra because I was fidgeting with that. So anyways, strings are in, and got the 2-inch LB on there finally. So that's going right through there, and then these 1-inchers will probably get another LB there, or something like that, or some type of conduit or something that goes over to here and up through the ceiling. So some type of 90 with a access hole on the side of it. So that's what I was working on there. And then also planning the route. Like I said, there's gonna be 4 pipes over here, the two 1-inchers, and then a 1-inch and 2-inch. So those other pipes are going to be coming along the ceiling, basically gonna come off of the rack. I have to add a whole bunch more rack going over to here. Probably gonna mount a junction box in here on some all thread because it's gonna still be the insulation, so that's gotta drop down. And then the pipes are going to go this way, take a 90 or a kick over to this hole over there. There's a hole, so they're gonna come up the ceiling and then kind of angle a little bit and then come straight, and then straight to the rack over to here. So that's the plan. So I went over that for a while with the foreman. So that, and also something else I can't remember. Yeah, something else I forgot, but anyways, that's what I was working on today. And so tomorrow, probably just keep working on running the 1-inch down the way down there, or running it down that way, and then maybe start with the 1 and 2-inch off the rack, or start mounting the all thread and strut on the other side, or have my apprentice do that on Monday when he gets back. So that's the plan, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna go on the car cruise shortly, so that'll be awesome. Hopefully there's a good turnout of my friends. Hopefully I see some Ferraris and McLarens and GTRs and someone else I forgot, ZL1 and another Camaro. So yeah, that'll be cool. And then my friend, a different person who I've never hung out with, invited me to another cruise tomorrow, so I'll be doing that. And then maybe next week I'll make another one on Tuesday or something to hang out with some more friends and maybe get some more exotics out. So that'll be cool. And yeah, I'll try to make a video about it. I usually just record on my GoPro and never get around to it, but we'll see. Maybe I'll do like a time lapse or something. I don't know. But anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will catch you guys back here tomorrow. And tomorrow is Friday. Yay. And have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow. I think I've already said that like 7 times. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It'll help the channel out. And then I can see you guys back here tomorrow. I don't even know where this video is going. I am dead tired. Really hot out and muggy out, and don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. That'll do it, guys. Peace out.